Close the one name. Close the one name. Can't go Saudi. Hey, I'm good. That's not. I'm not doing it. My name is Yoku now.
Oh, I go give young.
No, how far?
I'm okay.
Are you okay? Are you sure I know you?
As always.
Are you sure I know you?
I'm loyal.
Okay. Because my chief, I beg. Now something can come here. Now something fortunately come.
Okay.
One of my friend called me. Chai. In fact, what is here? Madam, I beg bring more meat and more beer, please. Yeah. Yes. Meat and the yes. So that my friend come to me that in this life, come like this now. They are serving shift. They are serving first like this now. Give us drink. Give us I'm a chief. I'm a chief. What's that?
Chief Chicago.
Bianso.
Chief Gadio.
He said, let me know. No.
Chief.
So I don't I joke on but Kwenze. Lolo. This matter, Tairapa. This matter will resemble bird versus ant. Bird, no, bird and the ant. You know, one bird, this life bird now, like fire up and down. Bird now, bird. No. Now their life not be so. The way God created them, very beautiful. They're eating ants. Ant is their food because now they are living. But tomorrow they will become ant food. Okay?
Because when the bird die, ant
will eat them now. But when bird is alive, it will mature. Let query. Magoyambo. That will happen to human being life. When you are alive, you say, do you know me? Do you know where I am? When you die, when I die, and I say, my God, I'm nothing but sand and dust. Don't ask me who I am. So please, he told me how he was humiliated, how he was oppressed, disrespected, devalued, you know what I mean, by somebody that he felt that this world is his own house, is his everlasting house. And the Bible made us understand that this world here is market. I get the market. When I buy finish, I go my way. Okay? Here, I cannot build my own my own home here. Because one day I'll answer the call of the nation. One day I'll answer the call of the nation. So do not build your house, your home here in the world. So please, Chief Kwenze, because just do you have anything to advise my fans? Because that my friend is watching.
Yes.
He's listening to me. The man that bought this company here to me.
Yes.
He's watching.
I understand
the area
where you are going.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Because I'm an old man.
Yes.
Also, I titled man. Chief Chumata Kwenze.
Good one, good one.
Is it right? Good. What you are trying to say now is that your friend had the issue with his own person and he underrated him. Now, what I want to advise him is this. Let him have patience and pray to God.
Okay.
One day, God will answer his prayer.
Okay.
Because we, human beings, we are just like that ant and bird that you said. We, as a human being, we will die. My God, have us. When birds die, ants have them.
Hell.
So we don't need to underrate ourselves because we are nothing. All those things we are acquiring, we are not taking it anywhere.
Hell.
It's only remain here. When somebody dies, you don't even know where your weight is. You don't even know your bank account again. It's another person who will control it. Ezerari, Udodi, I advise your friend to have
faith in God.
Faith in God.
In God.
Let him know use because of what his friend do to him and do it to another person.
To do to others.
Or to divert from God's side. Because many people will say, because I don't have money, he will look for that money in another way which will hang you in throat tomorrow.
In another dimension.
In another dimension.
Okay.
So I advise your friend to calm down.
Okay.
And wait for the road.
No problem.
There's no shortcut in this life.
Bagam. Otua.
Akufeche Megan.
Odarawo.
Yes.
Yes, Chief.
When you are a big man, you are this, you are fly. Any day you die. Now the poor go put you for ground.
Now the poor people now.
That is what means Akufeche
Odarawo. The buy now. And to summarize it, never you look down on anybody. Don't say because today you have money, you have all the contacts, you have all the connections, you have all the link. Then this man or this woman no need to even do where you did. No need to even talk where you're talking. Don't even need to even eat what you're eating. Because all of you are saying to know. Last class, he said, maggot, we go chop that poor person. Now go to chop you, will be rich person. Yes. And last, that's a poor people way they avoid. Now see them come and dig your grave. Do your every. So if they cry for you, do everything for you. So they're important. All hand are not equal. Yes, we agreed. So anyhow, in any level where God bless you reach, try to extend hand to the less privileged in society. Okay? So that when you reach your market here, go. They will remember you with good. Your good legacies. They will remember you with good legacies. Not with bad one, not bad one, like good one. Leave a good legacy that remember you of. I don't be so.
It is.
So,
right.
Bagam, so please be yourself. Don't be deceived and don't even try to say because it don't do me. I want to do others. No, don't do that. Maintain the character that God put in you. Maintain your own destiny, your own gift. Where God give you, God will fight for you. Are you hearing me? Thank you and God bless you. Follow my page. Continue to love the best. Like a comment. Konze. I'll be leaving. But before now, Madam, bring my own computer, please. This here you. Bring two pots. Bring Hennessy, what can come?
Now, our friends are coming.